Hi, this is Sagar from Infovana Technologies. So today I attended Dr. Maria's session on financial planning and how to do. Basically, as a working professional, we get thousands of feedbacks or suggestions from all the different people and different kind of relatives and all. But most of the time, we are confused what to do, what not to do. What Dr. Maria has enabled us and showed us a clear picture what we need, when we need, and how we need in the future, and how to plan accordingly. So it was a very helpful session on that front. Thank you.
ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗೀತಾ ಅಂತ ಇಂಫೋವನದಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವರು ಮರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಸೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಗ 2-3 years ಇಂದ ಇವಾಗ ವೈರಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬರ್ದೇ ಹೋದ್ರು ಇನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸೂರೆನ್ಸ್, ಹೆಲ್ತ್, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hey, hi everyone. This is Reena. I'm working with Infovana as Alliance Manager. Today was a great day to start with wherein Miss Maria, in fact Dr. Maria, enlightened us with how about the investments. So as all my other peers spoke about it, how important we earn and that important we need to save also. And she also said one good statement saying that money saved is the money you treasure it for the future. Thank you so much, Ms. Maya, for enabling us and giving us a financial literacy to all of us. I'm sure that they're going to start saving their money and they're going to see a better future. I recommend all the other companies as well to, I think they need to incorporate this financial literacy into their team members, just because that we all understand and we all know that we all know how to earn and we all know how to get a job, but we were never taught how we need to save money. And this was a great platform for everyone to understand how we can save money and how we can utilize the money. Money is an important factor of the life. What we see is, be it a child or be it a middleman or be it a old age person, we all earn money, but very few people in the world know how to utilize the money and how to spend and how to save. So this Esquire is being taught by Ms. Maria. Thank you so much once again. So I recommend her to everyone. Ms. Maria, you've done a great job to all of us. Have a fantastic day.
Hi, this is Sajjan here, and it was a very good insight that Maria has given us on our financial updates. So I think it was very much needed, present in our living, and I think everyone should know about our financial management. And it was very good. We enjoyed it and we learned a lot. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅರುಣ್ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ಫೋವಾನಾ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. February 22, 2025 ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾರಿಯಾ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಮನುಷ್ಯನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ದುಡಿಯೋದು ಮುಖ್ಯನೋ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾರಿಯಾ.